TV. I started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 7 and still continuing my passion towards dance field. There are several classical dances in India, which is Mohiniyattam, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Odissi, Manipuri, then now recently Satriya has been added. So Bharatanatyam is Indian classical ancient dance form which hails from Tamil Nadu. So in this video I'll just cover few topics. Why we do namaskaram? A dancer, when she performs any dance or if she is practicing any dance, he or she should do first namaskaram, because namaskaram is that we are giving due respect to the Mother Earth. Before doing namaskaram, we will chant Dhyana Shloka, that is, join your hands and close your eyes. Angikam bhuvanam yasya vachikam sarvabhagmayam aharyam chandrataradi tam namas satvikam shivam. The meaning of this Dhyana Shloka is, we bow to Him whose limbs are universe. The surroundings and voice are over His speech, whose ornaments are the moon and the stars, and we bow to the Satvik Shiva. This is the meaning of this Dhyana Shloka. And why we do namaskaram? The importance of namaskaram is, whatever we perform, the footwork should not be fault. And we hit to the floor very hard sometimes with the josh or with the happiness. And we are asking Mother Earth the forgiveness. So before doing adavus, we just begin with the namaskaram. Thalambu takadikinatum takkadim takkachanu takkadimi takkadimi takkachanu takkadimi takkachanu tam. So after doing namaskaram, and what the teachers will teach, the basic adavus. Adavus are the basic fundamental steps of Bharatanatyam, and these are to be learned, practiced before learning the complete dance. In Bharatanatyam we have three basic postures. One is Samapadam, Ardhamandi, Mulumandi. Most of the adavus we perform in Ardhamandi, that is half sitting posture. Samapadam is joining our feet, and Mulumandi is we are staying in a toe. So I'll show you all the three postures now. Samapadam is just joining your feet and hands. If you stretch it out your hands, this position is called Natyarambam. There are some don'ts to this, like you shouldn't bend like forward. It should be stiff. Standing straight, stand straight. It's just a simple tip is like join your hands facing like this, just straight. So initially your shoulder pains, but gradually that pain will reduce. So the next comes the basic posture is Ardhamandi. Ardhamandi is just turning your feet towards the side, sitting in the half sitting posture. This is the Mulumandi posture. I am staying on my toes. Okay. We have a few set of exercises we can strengthen our knees, thighs and hamstrings also. Next comes with the eye movement exercises. So eye exercises are very good, especially when you do the Abhinaya. So the basic eye movements are like, you can just look side by side. 5 to 10 counts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the upside and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then comes the eye rotation. You can do clockwise and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. I am just limiting to 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. And the another set of exercises, you can look diagonally, that is corner to this corner to this corner. So I just show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1. Similarly opposite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Before starting any other moves, first we have to do little bit exercises because you have to give your body a warm up. So I will show you a basic set of exercises which you can practice before doing any dance. To strengthen your Mulu Mandi, I will do an exercise. You can just do a jumping in the Mulu Mandi itself. 1. So this set you can do to 10 to 20 counts before practicing dance so that it will strengthen your legs. Daily you can practice on sit by sitting on your toes. So this toes is an acupuncture point which strengthens all your nerves and it relieves your tension as well. So you can do, apart from this, you can do the sit-ups also. You can just stay for every 10 counts in this position so that it strengthens your legs. For the Ardhamandi, I will suggest some exercises. It's just like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is an exercise you can do for the Ardhamandi. It strengthens your thighs. Another small set of exercise is that you can raise your both the arms. You can raise both the hands straight. Then try to sit in Mulu Mandi. So you can take minimum 5 to 10. Initially when you are trying to do this exercise, you can try to 5 to 10 count. Then gradually you can increase on your own. So I will show you the basic Tatadu. First one. Kitta, takka, tei, ya, tei, ti, tei, ya, ta, ha. Second speed. Tei, ya, tei, ti, tei, ya, ta, ha. Tei, ya, tei, hi, tei, ya, ta, ha. Third speed. Tei, ya, tei, hi, tei, ya, ta, ha. Tei, ya, tei, so the next set of Adavu I show you is Mettadavu. It is just Mettu means you have to just keep it on your toes, then hit to the floor. Okay. So I will demonstrate with you. Kitta, takka, ta, tei, thi, tei, ta, tei, thi, tam, ta, tei, di, tei, ta, tei, di, tam, ta, tei, di, tei, ta, tei, di, tam, ta, tei, di, tei, ta, tei, di, tam, ta, tei, di, tei, ta, ta, tei, in the toe. Most of us will make a common mistakes while sitting in Ardhamandi is that we just make our feet, we just separate our feet and sit in half sit posture. But many of us tend to lean forward like this or like this. It shouldn't be done because this makes your spine injured and this is dangerous also. The first thing is to the first step to sit in Ardhamandi. Make your core tight, sit in Ardhamandi so that you won't lean forward. So that leaning of forward you can avoid. I will be showing you the Adi Talam Jati. First I will recite, then I will show you. Ta rita 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 jam jam ta, ta rita 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 jam jam te. Ta rita 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 jam jam ta, ta rita 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 jam jam te. Ta rita 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 jam, ta rita 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 jam. Rita jam, tata rita jam, talangu jam. Kidataka tarigidum, கிடத்தக்க தருகிறதும்
ढलंग कुतकति कुतकति कति तार तर कति न जम जम ता तर तर कति न जम जम ते तार तर कति न जम जम ता तर तर कति न जम जम ते तार तर कति न जम तर तर कति न जम तार तजम तर तजम ढलंग कुतुम तक 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 तक